Hello everyone. Guess what we are making today? It is kale sauce. This sauce is deliciously tasty, and I will start by prepping the cane prawn, the mushroom, and using the same oil, I'll fry the chopped onion. And in the onion, I will be adding the freshly chopped ginger, allowing it to fry with the onion until it is aromatic. I have already chopped my fresh tomatoes and the scotch bonnet, which I've added here, and having there is salt and paprika, dry parsley, and chicken seasoning. I'll stir this together, allow this to cook until the tomatoes water dries off. Once the tomato water dries off and the oil comes off, I will add there what I added before the kale is freshly chopped coriander and rosemary, and then I'll add the kale. After adding the kale, I will immediately add the mushroom and the prawn, allowing it to cook while stirring for about 1 minute, and then now I'll reduce the heat. Oh, this aroma is so everywhere. You've got to try this at home. You can see how colorful it is, and allow this to simmer for another 30 seconds and it is ready. Can't you see how presentable this is? This is a must try, I bet you. Thank you for cooking with me. Please hit the subscribe button. Goodbye.